Everyone, if you're here, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and do not forget to also turn on the notification bell. Click the join button to join our community. Alright guys, so real quick, I'm talking about this BNB mining website. It's on TrustWallet. It's on TrustWallet. The link we're going to be using right now, we're going to be pasting it in TrustWallet, and I'm going to be showing you how this works. First of all, guys, I want to inform you that Shiba Inu reloaded bot is now back. It's now back. Shiba Inu reloaded bot is now active again. Alright guys, so let's jump straight into the video for today. So I'm on my new TrustWallet account that I just created for this stuff. For anything mining out, so anything the house mining that we're going to be doing on this channel, I just created a new TrustWallet account. So it's advisable that you create a new TrustWallet account to prevent your phone to prevent you from losing your phones, because some of these websites may not be safe. Alright guys, so I've funded the wallet already. There's it. I funded the wallet with some of BNB, which I literally have put in this website already. So guys, to get a link to this website, kindly click the link in the description of this video, and you get redirected to Telegram, where you are going to see the full description and the manual. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a new platform. That's why you need to hurry up and join the platform to earn more. As you can see, their contract balance is over 13 BNB, and I bought. All right, let me go check it out again. All right, so this is it. I paid for a miner. 0.01 BNB. That's what I paid for a miner here. I literally bought the lowest amount that was 0.01 BNB of this coin. They call it the meta whatsoever. So I bought 0.01 of this coin, and it's gonna be mining me. Let me check the percent for you. It's gonna be giving me 10% on the daily business, and as you can see over here, you also have the referral program where you're gonna get 30% of BNB that the person you refer used to buy the meta for mining. Alright guys, so as you can see my balance over here, I've made more than 0.1 BNB that I literally used to buy this amount of meta. Alright guys, so I'll quickly click on the take rewards button. Insufficient gas. Alright guys, so let me quickly reload the page whatsoever and try that again. I'll try taking the reward and see what happens, because I deposited some amount of BNB and I've earned. Alright guys, so I'll try doing it again right now. It seems that I've done it the wrong way, so guys, let's quickly do it again. Alright guys, so I quickly funded my account again just now. So I clicked on the claim rewards button, and as you can see right here, it says transaction sent, and the amount of BNB is gonna wipe up like now. And as you can see over there, there is already a notification that says transaction successful. Alright guys, so let's quickly go check my account right now, my wallet. Alright guys, so I'll quickly reload this stuff. I'll quickly reload it. So as you can see, my BNB balance has changed to $790. As you can see, this platform is a real legit one, and I made a live draw from it right now. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, join the community, join our Telegram group, and don't forget to join our membership program.